pigment first. Look at that. I'm gonna apply this. Wait for it a little bit, so then let it set. I don't know why it's like that. I have another set for my travel, but let it set. Tap a couple of them. Great. I'll let it set. Michigan class, we are looking. How far from Orlando going there? Debbie, hi Miss Elsa, hi Nuna, hello June, hi Jenny, hi Patricia, hi Lady, hi Alexis, hey, thank you so much for tuning back in. I know I'm keep talking and everybody gone. Well, because somehow it's our Instagram crash. So thank you, Sarah. We are Sarah was sharing it. We having the class going on is training going on in Ann Arbor's in the end of March, which is March 28, 29, and 30th. Is such amazing. I can't wait to share with everything and how many products you're gonna get in the class, as well as you get the training, amazing training, which from all three of us is passionate, love nail arts, and love to help people to be even more successful. And it's gonna be going held at in Ann Arbor in March 28, 29, and we're gonna share with you every single thing. Like you're seeing a lot of video I've done, but then I got an opportunity and honor to be hands-on with you at the class. That was amazing. So we get so many of the students get an opportunity to take our class, and they absolutely, when they're back, they take the business to completely the next level. And then I'm so thrilled when I see a lot of texts from them like, Nancy, I did this nails and I able to charge the clients $20. You think is that too much? Like all the work she does on each nails. And I said, awesome. And the client's so happy because the client's seeing that what she can do versus before she's never got an opportunity to doing it. So you also, every single of you is already have really, really talents in you. Just to have someone to share and our passion with you, you can see totally a different look of the perspective in our industry. So sorry, I'm tap 3 of them. I am so excited with this already. Look, because as I see on the side, I'm gonna have a piece of paper. Sorry, I'm just too excited. Look at the 2 paper. Look at this. And I have this is similar to what I did create with the just chamfer foil gel. And from now we're trying to do 4 different colors. 4 different nails really in the theme. So it's just in case you're watching the live video, you get exactly what you want for the design look. If you want to get 2 out of this for your clients, or even 1 out of this, or 3 out of this, or even all 4 of them for your clients, that would be awesome. So then we usually do like 4 or 5 different nails in different looks. So sometimes it's nice, but then sometimes it can be a little bit like so awesome, but then overwhelming as well. So this way we be all in the same page. So I am using my little guys right here, my little secrets for Fusion ink crystal clear. I'm really pleased with this because you know why? I don't even need any brush. You literally see me for so many different live video. I just using this little guy. This is going to the battles with me all the time when I'm doing my Fusion ink. So I'm just literally using just a smaller amount of my crystal clear and just really gently dab it to wherever I want my veins to be. Like you can see that I'm start create the veins right here, and I'm gonna just gently tap just a small enough amount of it. You don't want to completely wash it off. Basically, it's still the alcohol base. So if you do too much of your crystal clear, which is this is not the formula, it's just the alcohol, so then it's not gonna wash completely off. It's the right ratio, so give it, blend your fusionings perfectly. Also, it's set in the right time, so then you're not like bleeding whole entire your designs at once. So I'm really pleased with this. Even you're a beginner, you will never go wrong with this, I promise. Just a little bit, and you can see literally I'm tapping it in, and just like really focus on this veins right there. Tap it and wipe off my brush to remove all of the excess, the extras colors on my brush before I'm deep back into my crystal clear. I'm gonna put it right here so you don't wonder where I'm putting it. Just wipe the most of them off, just using just a little bit. However you want to place your veins, you can. I'm really pleased with this one. So with beginners, when you do this, it's less is more. Just don't do too much. If you feel like you start feeling them all bleeding, you should control your crystal clear. Or when you place your different of your colors for fusioning, when you lay them, you make sure you give it a little bit time, so for it to set first before you really like working on it, because or else they're gonna bleed on each other. So like if you want to get one color first and then give it a little bit seconds and then do another colors on. Yeah, I think I'm really happy with this. So yesterday we did is we're supposed to do foil, but we didn't get a foil. So today's I am going to using a foil for the veins look. Looks really good. Just want a little bit veins right there. Great. I think I'm happy with this, and I am going just a little bit more right there. I'm just so meticulous, but you know, keep in mind when you do this, it's so simple. It's none of them are identical, so do not afraid of to be really stay out of the box, you know. All right, so I'm happy with this. You see how much of the excess the colors I'm got in my paper instead of into my bottle, so my bottle stay nice and last a long time for me until I'm like ready for the next one. So again, I am going to using my premiums chamfer foil, premiums I hold chamfer foil, and drop it. It's like maybe one drop, just one drop right there. And my twin tip brush on the other side, a little light brush. Thank you, Sarah. Sarah said we are looking for a master brand ambassador in March 28 and 29. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. I'm literally, my heart is beat faster because I can't imagine it that how much you got to learn along with everything you got to receive to take home. You got nothing to lose but learn so much. So I am gonna draw right next to my veins. You can do it thicker, you do it thinner, however you would like it to look, okay? There's no limit of what you can do with your art and with your creativity. And I'm so looking forward to see your beautiful work. Don't forget to tag us, Glitz Accessory and such, to be featured, because we would love to feature your beautiful work to help you connecting with a lot of, you know, like other nail technicians. Look good. You can add more. I don't know. I think it looks good, but I might be wrong. Add more. Okay, I'm gonna key this for 30 seconds and see the final look of it after we press the foil on. 30 seconds, please. And my really best friends of this. I use them so many times. It's just a little piece. It doesn't need a lot. Great. Cut me the new one. I just showed. Can you cut me the new one, please? No. I need using the other one. No, I'm not gonna use